In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your Instagram profile and find the photo that you want to remove. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the photo, and in the menu that pops up, select Archive. But what if you want to get that photograph back? Go back to your main profile and tap on the hamburger menu in the top right. Now tap on Archive, and at the top underneath where it says Stories Archive, tap on Posts Archive. Tap on the picture that you want to put back onto your Instagram profile, and then tap Show in Profile. And that's basically it. Hope you guys found the video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.